Hello, this is Dr. Shruti Math. Let's start today. Vamana Vyapat Lakshana, its treatment. Firstly, start with the Samyak Vamana Lakshanas. Proper time vomiting adjust in time, absence of the too much pain, elimination of doshas in proper order, kapha, pitta, vata coming out in successive order without any hindrance, calmness and lightness of the bodies. These are the Samyak Vamana Lakshanas. Ati Yoga, if condition will be occurs in a particular conditions, if Murdik Koshti patient is there, Lakshanas are Ati Pravritti, Vata Prakopa, Balakshya will be there. For that, we have to give the Abhyanga, Shita, Jala, Avagaha, Avaleha as a treatment. If Murdik Koshti with Tikshna Dravya will given for that person, that leads to the Balahara, Daha, Brahma and Trisha. For that persons we have to give Madhura Upachara, remove remaining medicines over the Virechana and Shita Jala yogas, Avagaha and Stantarpana Chikitsa Kriya. In Jiva Bahya Parivishta means the patient's tongue comes outside. In that we have to apply the Tila Draksha Kalka Lepa and put inside the tongue. Jiva Anta Parivishta, if the Jiva means tongue and placed inside the Kavalagraha should be advised. Udkhara Mocha there, Daniya Churna will be given for the proper digestions. According to Lakshana, treatments will be differ. In Ayoga conditions, the condition Vigratita dosha, accumulated doshas in this Lakshanas are Trishna, Mocha, Rulasa, Aruchi, Arati, Udgara, Ashuddhi, Parva, Abeda. Line of treatment: give lukewarm water, then give Vamana. If properly not done, Snehana Shvedana, or if not given Snehana Shvedana in Purva Karma, that will lead to the Ayoga Lakshana. Utklesha Hridaya Shuddhi Kandu will be occurs as a Lakshanas. In this condition, we have to give the Tikshna Vamanas. Aushadha Jeerna due to the increased Agni. If on the basis of the Koshta, if the doctor given the less Aushadha for the patient that is digested by the Koshta, it leads to the Gaurava Hridaya Shuddhi. In that patient, give the Adraka and Tikshna Vamana Virechana Aushadhas by this and next give the one time Vamana Madanaphala yogas induce the if even though if not vomiting induced in that condition, we have to tell to the patient to follow the Samsarjana Karma. After some days we have to repeat the Vamana Kriya. Increased dosha due to the increased ama, Glani and Vibandha will be occurs as a Lakshana. Ama dosha hara treatment and Pachana drug should be advised. Complication of the Vamana Kriya, if not given proper way or proper timing or proper dosage, this may leads to the complications, that is distension of abdomen, showing type the pain, salivation, palpitation, rigidity, blood vomiting, displacement of the viscera of the body, stiffness, exhaustations. These are the complications of the bodies. Already knew the line of treatment in last Yoga and Ayoga Lakshanas. These are followed in these conditions also, depending upon the which type of the Lakshana will be there.